What's up guys, it's Kaylin and I'm back with another video. Hopefully it won't be a long time between now and the next time I post a video. I've been super busy, sorry it took me forever to upload another video, but I'm back for now. So I hope you stick around. I'm going to start doing live videos more, so stick around for that too. Also, thank you for 10,000 subscribers, that's amazing. I'll do a lot of update videos in the future, but right now, we're doing something very exciting. Right now, we're going to install something on my car. If you came here for romance and cute videos, I'm sorry, but my channel is not always about that because that was just a one-time deal that went viral. So today, we're giving my car a facelift. I splurged on Black Friday and I bought myself something for my car. But first, I have to go get a car wash because I'm not about to make a video about my car and it being dirty. So, oh, and just a little disclaimer. I usually go and wash my car myself, but since I don't have time, I'm gonna go through like a little car wash thing. But yeah, anyways, so let's get started. Oh man, I need to take the trash out. I got the package in here. I forgot to mention, but I think I'm gonna be installing these over at my friend's house because here's my garage. Yeah, not cool. It's so dirty. Let's go get a car wash. These are always so relaxing to me. It's like I'm going through a ride at Disney World, you know? I think I have to do these first to take the front bumper off right here. So then I can access like all of the light. Goodbye to these dumps. I'm about done with these clips. What?
You know how to do that?
Well, I mean, I gotten this far. So get all Patrice's slats up?
Yeah, we did. Just real quick.
Yeah.
Like five of us there.
That's good.
Dang, that's good. You know how to do that? And you take a picture too?
Huh?
You take a picture too?
I'm videoing.
Oh, never mind. Come on.
No, it's just this part right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Dang, you keep it clean, huh?
Ah! There's so much junk under there. There's Jaydee.
I thought you said that you blocked my street off.
Not that part.
I thought I went the wrong way.
Oh. Welcome.
What's up, YouTube? Parade.
Parade? Did you get it?
You have to stick it in.
Oh. Jaydee, introduce yourself.
I don't know, what do I say?
Well, get down.
I've never been on YouTube before. Hi, my name is Jaydee. I'm Kaylin's friend. We work together. She occasionally asks me to help. No, all the time.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, she. It said no cutting, no splicing. Look what I have to do. Cut and splice.
Nuh-uh. Are you sure? Does it say that? Okay, I don't want you to like jack it up.
Did you hear that, YouTube? She asked for my help and doubted me. She doubted me.
Look at this box. This box is awesome.
I have to use the blue wire from there.
Did you watch this video?
Yeah.
Up close for all the action.
You're gonna get my ashy hands.
Nuh-uh. Look at mine.
Ew.
I know. It's from the tire, I think.
Why'd you touch your tire?
Because I had to get under my car to under the clips. Are you like clamping it together?
Yeah, I'm clipping it together.
This is where I don't like doing stuff, so thanks.
I don't think you have enough manpower.
Oh, dang. Look at those muscles.
Chill. Chill. You're getting too far away. Alright. You can keep the plastic on there.
Yeah.
It's just this wire. You grab that? All the way.
Up there?
No, we can.
Just like a little bit, because we need to do like the great unveiling.
Yeah.
Unveiling, whatever you call it. I wish my car was actually that color.
I wanted that one? That's annoying. Hey, buddy.
Oh no, it doesn't work. Just
You're supposed to be connected.
Ew, a love bug.
A what?
A love bug.
Those things exist?
You've never heard of a love bug?
Never got bit by one.
They don't bite. They're just annoying and they make your car dirty as crap. I guess that's an East Texas problem.
Yeah, I live in Northwood.
Yeah.
Stop looking at me.
Oh, that sounds beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Say hi, John. Oh, dang. Got that camera gang. Ready? Woohoo! Dang. Dang, if only I had that earlier. So now we got the Christmas lights because there's about to be a Christmas parade out there. We got a 2-in-1 deal. Dang. Woo. The trial and error. All right, so now we're going to a Christmas parade that is literally right outside Jaydee's house, and we're getting hot chocolate and popcorn, and the sign is really bright. Ah! My gosh. Do a donut! Do a donut! Texas! Yee-hoo! It's the first day of December and we are here
Nope. No. No. Hey, what you press? What'd you press?